Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to copy Trello board. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to copy your board in Trello, you just simply have to open your Trello application at first, and after that just simply tap for a while into that board which you want to copy. Then after that, it will directly give you the option of copy board into here. Just simply tap into copy board, and now you just simply have to name the copied board into here. And after naming the board, it will give you the option to copy board at bottom. Just simply tap into that button, and after that your board will successfully be copied. As you can see here, it has created just like the previous board into mine. This way you can easily copy your board into Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.